I'll give details about how to create video from text using VO3 with Google Flow application. If you don't know what is Flow, Flow is a kind of uh, movie maker, a movie maker kind of application by Google. It uses VO3 to VO and also VO2 also there. View AI model to create video from text. So the flow will be available for the Google AI Pro subscribers. If you don't know about Google AI Pro, search for Google AI Pro and you'll get the link um, based on your location. So So access that one, I'm already going to open this one. So right now Google offers 1 month of trial for the Google AI Pro. So the Flow application, what you see here, it is only available for with Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra. Google AI Ultra is a higher, uh, more advanced version than Google AI Pro. So right now Google AI Pro is Google is giving a 1 month trial. You don't need to pay anything. You just need to sign up, and initially they will take some amount, and it will be refunded to your account. And after sign up, you can even cancel. Still, it will be available for 1 month. So the flow will be available in Google AI Pro. So for me, I already signed up for Google AI Pro. I'm in the Pro account right now. You see, this is a Pro. When you sign up for Google AI Pro, you can see there is a label Pro. With this Pro, you will be able to access the Flow, Google Flow. This is mainly, this is still in the labs, but you can see the preview. This Pro application mainly for the media producers and like movie creators, those kind of people. Okay, so when you click here, it will open the page like this, and you see there is a Pro label here. Since I'm using Google AI Pro, it is displaying like this here. So I'll start from beginning then. Just click on the create with flow. It will open like this. Still loading. So I already created some videos. That's why it's displaying here. So click on the new project. So here with the Google AI Pro, you will be getting 1,000 AI credits every month, like 1,000 AI credits. So for me, it's like 260 AI credits only left. I have already used remaining credits. So every month you will be getting 1,000 AI credits. And in order to create a video from text using the VO3 with audio, you just need 20 credits. You only need 20 credits. When you click on the settings here, you can see there's output, number of outputs per prompt, and the model. So the VO3 fast, the beta audio, it's 20 credits. VO2 fast, it's 10 credits. VO3 quality, it's 100 credits. It's somewhat advanced to model. VO2 quality, it's 100 credits. But though VO2 doesn't have an audio, so we'll go with the VO3 fast. It has a audio and also more advanced features than VO2. So now, and also VO3 has only 20 credits. Our prompts will be pasted here. So in order to try some prompts, we'll generate those prompts right from the Google Gemini itself. So I'll give some sample prompt to generate prompts for video VO3. Generate few prompts for VO3 video generation. Include details, camera angle, uh, uh, and some other um, default default settings for view. So let's see like what are the prompts to use. So I'm still thinking. So once we get the prompts from here, we just directly copy and paste to the flow. There you can create the videos from text. So in the normal Google AI Pro, you can even create the video from the option here. You see the video option, but from the Gemini, it only allows 3 videos per day for any account. So there's a limit of 3 video per day. So after creating 3 videos, you won't be able to create another. So, but the flow with help of the multiple AI credits, as I was saying, like 1,000 AI credits will be there. You will be able to create a lot of videos. So it's already generated. First one is prompt one, sci-fi metropolis flight through. Let's copy this one, prompt one. So it included all the kind of default configuration of settings which is applicable to view like camera angle and movement, audio, style and aesthetic settings, resolution, pacing and other details. So it for all the prompts it comes with those attributes. Okay, let's try with our first prompt. Copy paste, and these are new projects. We already selected VO3 fast and copy paste. Click on this one. So unlike Google Gemini, once you click video generation here, you can't generate another video unless you access it in a different tab. But in the flow, you will be able to generate simultaneously. So copy paste the second prompt and type this one. Paste the second prompt and click on submit. And come here again, copy third prompt and paste it. So you see multiple video generations are going on simultaneously, unlike in the Google Gemini. If you use this option, Google Gemini generate with VO3 video option, you won't be able to see multiple video generation simultaneously unless you access the Google Gemini in a new tab. So you can see multiple opera process going on, and we have one more prompt. Copy paste. I pasted this one. we'll see one more. We can see if it can generate one more prompt. I'll just type one more prompt. If you have better idea for the video generation prompt, you can try your own with your imagination along with the other parameters required, like other configuration settings. So, but I use Gemini itself to generate the prompts for video generation. So the last prompt, the prompt also generated the different settings, and I'm copying down that too and pasting it. So click, and our fifth prompt is it's going on, but you can see the previous prompts already generated the video. So let's see how does it look. It's good. Okay, the second one. So all those videos are 8 seconds. Third video, I think the fourth one is 99 much. So all videos are of good standard, like high definition. By default, it's a 720 pixel resolution, but you can even uh, upscale to 1080 pixel. And this is the fourth one, and the last one is still going on. So each of these video requires 20 AI credits. Now we used 5 videos, so it's altogether 100. So you see earlier it was 260 AI credits, now it's 160. So it already consumed from my available AI credits. So with a Google AI Pro, you will get 1000 AI credits every month. So and even if you run out of AI credits, you can even buy additional AI credits. Let's see like how is our count. These are all great clarity and great creativity. Okay, like I was saying, yeah, nowadays you will get Google AI Pro for free for 1 month. I'm using this free account. With the free account only, I got 1000 AA credits, and with those 1000 AA credits, I used for the video generation with the Flow application. So those AI credits consumed from the um, available AI credits balance. So you can even try that Google AI Pro for 1 month trial and start experimenting this video generation with Google Gemini and also with the Flow. It's like a Flow uh, is a lab application. I mean, kind of preview mode. So you can try and demo these AI tools. So the main thing you need to do is sign up for the Google AI Pro trial version. And if you don't want to continue, like you don't want to pay uh, for the whole year, we just try for the 1 month. It is free, totally free. You don't need to pay anything. And with the Google A Pro account, you will be able to access the Flow application uh, along with the Google Gemini, which is available for any account. But the Google A Pro will be able to generate the video from Google Gemini here, but this is limited to 3 video generation per day, and after that you can't generate. But in the flow, you will be able to generate the videos as long as you have the available credits. So, like I told multiple times, it's 1,000 air credits available every month. So you can just try and see how you will be able to generate different videos. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch up later. Thank you.